Have you ever wondered how to turn your free time into a source of income? What if you could start a profitable online business with just a few hours each week? You might think it's impossible, but in 2025, there are plenty of opportunities to make money online, even if you don't have tons of extra time. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech expert or have a large investment to get started. In today's video, I'll share with you the top 8 profitable online projects you can start in your free time. These ideas are practical, backed by industry trends, and scalable, meaning you can grow them over time, even if you're working with just a few hours here and there. Let's dive in. 1. AI-powered legal assistant. Did you know that even something as complex as legal work can now be automated with AI? If you've ever had to deal with contract drafting or legal paperwork, you know how time-consuming and expensive it can be. Traditionally, lawyers charge hundreds of dollars per hour to review or draft contracts, which leaves small businesses with a significant barrier to entry. But with AI-powered tools, legal tasks can be streamlined, making them accessible for smaller companies and entrepreneurs. One of the most profitable ways to dive into this market is by creating a platform that helps AI assist in contract drafting, case research, and legal document generation. You can partner with small law firms or independent lawyers to provide them with AI tools that can help them save hours of time on routine tasks. By using AI-powered solutions, legal assistants can generate accurate contracts and predict case outcomes based on historical data. And here's the kicker. Once the system is set up, it practically runs itself. You could offer this as a subscription model, charging monthly fees per user, which could quickly become a scalable and profitable business. 2. AI-powered podcast management. Podcasts have exploded in popularity, and there's no sign of slowing down. But if you've ever tried running a podcast, you know how much work it takes behind the scenes, editing, transcribing, repurposing content, and so on. That's where AI tools can make a big difference. AI can now handle tasks like transcribing podcasts, generating summaries, pulling key takeaways, and even editing audio. Imagine creating a platform that combines AI-powered transcription tools with human editors to help podcasters easily produce content and maximize its reach. The AI transcribes the podcast and pulls out the main points, while human editors turn the transcript into engaging content, such as blog posts or social media clips. This model can help podcasters automate content creation, save time, and repurpose their podcasts into several different formats. You could even create a monthly subscription service for podcasters, offering various packages depending on the amount of content they produce. With the growing number of podcasts, there's a massive demand for tools that help creators manage their content efficiently. The great thing about this business is that it's scalable. You can start small and expand as you gain more users. 3. Ghostwriting for executives. Content creation is vital for any business or personal brand, especially for busy executives who often don't have time to write their own content. Ghostwriting services can be the perfect solution here, but what makes this idea even better in 2025 is the integration of AI tools like ChatGPT. You can create a ghostwriting service for CEOs and other high-level executives who need content for their blogs, LinkedIn, or even books, but don't have the time or inclination to write it themselves. By using AI writing tools to generate drafts, you can speed up the content creation process while adding a human touch to ensure that the content is personal and well-aligned with the executive's voice. This AI-powered ghostwriting service could also help generate regular social media posts, helping executives maintain a strong presence online. This business is highly profitable, especially if you target high-profile clients. For example, you could charge between $1,000 and $2,000 per month per CEO. The great thing about ghostwriting is that it's relatively passive once you've established the system. 4. AI-powered e-commerce solutions. E-commerce is one of the fastest-growing industries in the world, and with AI tools, running an online store can become even easier. You don't need to be an expert in tech to start an online store these days. By using AI-powered solutions, you can create a fully automated e-commerce business that generates income with little to no manual effort. There are AI tools that can help with everything from product recommendations to pricing optimization. For example, AI chatbots can answer customer inquiries automatically, while AI-driven inventory management tools can track stock levels and reorder products when needed. Additionally, AI algorithms can help you analyze customer data to create personalized marketing campaigns, ensuring that your customers see the products they're most likely to purchase. The best part is that once your systems are set up, this business can run on its own with minimal involvement. With e-commerce platforms like Shopify offering easy integration with AI tools, you can start selling products in no time. Whether you want to dropship products, sell your own creations, or offer print-on-demand services, AI tools can help you manage every aspect of your store. 5. Subscription-based digital products. Digital products like ebooks, templates, courses, and tools are increasingly popular, and AI tools can make creating and selling them easier than ever. With the right automation in place, you can create a subscription-based business model that allows you to earn recurring revenue while working on other projects. Imagine creating an online platform where customers can subscribe to receive monthly downloads of digital products such as ebooks, software, or educational materials. AI-powered tools can help you design, format, and even update the content regularly, keeping your subscribers engaged with fresh material. You can create a wide variety of digital products that align with your niche, whether it's fitness, business, self-improvement, or finance. Subscription-based models are incredibly profitable because they provide a steady stream of income. Once you've set up the system, the business can run itself with minimal effort. Using platforms like Gumroad or Teachable, you can easily set up your subscription service, automate payments, and deliver products without needing to manually track everything. 6. AI-powered influencer marketing campaigns. Influencer marketing has become an essential strategy for many brands, but managing these campaigns can be time-consuming. The AI-powered influencer marketing platform allows you to automate influencer discovery, outreach, and campaign tracking with just a few clicks. You can create a platform where brands can quickly find influencers, reach out to them, and track the success of their campaigns. AI tools can help automate the process of finding influencers, analyzing their metrics, and creating personalized outreach messages, reducing the time it takes to launch a successful campaign. This service could be particularly attractive to small businesses that cannot afford a full social media agency but still want to engage in influencer marketing. You could charge a fee per campaign, which could range from $1,000 to $3,000 per campaign, depending on the scope of work. With the rise of AI tools, influencer marketing is about to become even more efficient, and businesses will be looking for ways to streamline the process. If you're interested in working with both influencers and businesses, this could be a highly profitable venture with a relatively low startup cost. 7. AI-powered data analytics service. Data is everywhere, but many small businesses don't know how to use it to their advantage. By offering AI-powered data analytics services, you can help businesses make smarter decisions by analyzing customer data, website traffic, and sales trends. AI tools can help automate the process of gathering and analyzing large sets of data, making it easier for businesses to derive actionable insights. For example, you can create a platform that automatically collects and analyzes data from a business's website, social media accounts, and sales data, offering insights and recommendations to help improve marketing efforts. With AI tools like Google Analytics or Tableau, you can offer data visualization and automated reporting to businesses looking to make data-driven decisions. By offering this as a subscription service, you can provide continuous value to clients. You could offer monthly or weekly reports, allowing businesses to adjust their strategies in real time. This is a high-demand service, especially as more businesses shift to data-driven marketing strategies. 8. Digital asset marketplace. Digital assets, from NFTs to stock photos and audio files, are becoming increasingly valuable. AI-powered platforms can help you create a digital asset marketplace where creators can upload, sell, and buy digital goods. With AI, you can automate the entire process, from tagging and categorizing assets to recommending similar items based on user preferences. The marketplace could include digital art, music, photography, and other creative assets, and you could earn by taking a commission from each sale. Platforms like Shutterstock and Etsy have proven that digital goods can be profitable, and AI tools can make it even easier for creators to monetize their work. By automating the sales process, tracking inventory, and personalizing recommendations for customers, you can create a seamless and efficient marketplace. As digital content continues to grow in demand, this is a profitable online business that could scale quickly with the right automation tools in place. Plus, since AI can handle much of the back end, you can focus on growing your platform and expanding your offerings. So, there you have it, 8 profitable online projects that you can start in your free time. Whether you're interested in AI-powered legal assistance, influencer marketing, or building a digital asset marketplace, the opportunities in 2025 are abundant. These projects are all scalable, highly profitable, and can be automated with the right tools so you can focus on what matters most, growing your business. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, share it with your friends who might be interested, and don't forget to subscribe for more business ideas, tips, and strategies to help you succeed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.